Is Uber stock set for a breakout after strong earnings? Overview of Uber's latest earnings performance. In a remarkable financial display, Uber Technologies Incorporated (NYSE) Uber has reported its fourth quarter earnings for the fiscal year 2024, showcasing fundamental strength across its business segments. The results, released on 5th February 2025, revealed a year-over-year revenue growth of 20% to $12.0 billion, fueled by both ride-sharing and delivery services, with adjusted EBITDA soaring 44% year-over-year to $1.8 billion, with a robust operating income of $770 million and a net income attributable to Uber of $6.9 billion, including significant tax valuation benefits. The landscape appears favorable for Uber stock to achieve further gains. Given the surging gross bookings, which climbed 18% year-over-year to $44.2 billion, can we expect this momentum to carry Uber stock into breakout territory? Market position and operational performance. Uber remains a dominant player in the ride-hailing and food delivery sectors, navigating through a competitive landscape that includes fresh challengers and regional players. The recent earnings report underscores Uber's ability to capitalize on evolving market dynamics, particularly with the burgeoning demand for autonomous vehicle technologies and expansion into new services. The mobility segment generated $6.9 billion in revenue, marking a substantial 25% increase year-over-year, while delivery also showed robust growth of 21%, achieving revenues of $3.8 billion. With operational cash flow at $1.8 billion and free cash flow reaching $1.7 billion, Uber exhibited a healthy convertibility of its earnings into cash, allowing for further investments in innovation and expansion. The company's monthly active platform consumers, MAPCs, grew 14% year-over-year to 171 million, reflecting a steady increase in user engagement. Financial performance analysis. Uber's quarterly performance metrics reveal substantial advances compared to the same quarter last year. The income from operations jumped 18% to $770 million, whereas net income soared to $6.9 billion primarily due to a $6.4 billion tax valuation release. Adjusted EBITDA surged 44% to $1.8 billion, significantly improving the adjusted EBITDA margin as a percentage of gross bookings to 4.2%, up from 3.4% in Q4 2023. Conversely, while operating expenses increased, they were effectively managed in relation to the company's growth. Capital expenditures remained controlled, hinting at Uber's commitment to maintaining a lean operational structure. The guidance for Q1 2025 suggests gross bookings growth of 17% to 21% year-over-year, reinforcing investor confidence in Uber's forward trajectory. Stock performance and analyst insights. In the wake of the earnings release, Uber stock has shown resilience, trading at $69.99, a notable climb from the $64.48 recorded just prior to the announcement. Analysts maintain a strong bullish outlook on Uber, with an average target price of $88.24, suggesting a potential upside of over 25% from current levels. Recent share price movements indicate an upward trend, interrupted only by the broader market dynamics, as Uber shares approach their 52-week high of $87. The accelerated share repurchase agreement worth $1.5 billion, alongside an active buyback strategy, signals management's confidence in the current valuation and prospects. Additionally, innovations in ride-sharing and delivery, including partnerships targeting food deliveries with SNAP benefits and expanding autonomous vehicle deployments, position Uber favorably for sustained growth. Conclusion. Can Uber stock break out? Given the strong earnings results, growth in user engagement, and developments in strategic operations, Uber appears poised for a potential stock market breakout. However, Investors should monitor upcoming quarters closely, especially how the company navigates currency headwinds, competitive pressures, and operational efficiencies. Key indicators such as gross bookings growth, market expansion into new service areas, and sustained positive cash flow will serve as critical metrics to gauge Uber's long-term trajectory and influence investment decisions. As the stock approaches analyst price targets, maintaining a keen eye on macroeconomic indicators and competitive developments will be paramount for any potential investors.